Now I know for a lot of you guys, you want to start using that straight razor and you want to start doing that straight razor shave, but the biggest thing is there's a lot of fear. You guys have never touched a straight razor before, and you know if you use it wrong, it can cut you because it's extremely sharp. Now there's going to be a few key factors when you want to learn how to use a straight razor. There's just techniques and tips and tricks that I'm going to give you guys right now that you guys have to practice before you put it on your face. So one of the key factors is how you hold the straight razor. That's going to be number one, guys, because when you grab this thing, you know it's extremely sharp and you can really cut yourself. So you're gonna have to know how to hold it. Now, a lot of people hold the straight razor like this, and a lot of people hold the straight razor like this. Now, it's all up to you, it's all preference and how you feel comfortable. But that's gonna be the number one thing you have to do. You have to figure out what style of holding the straight razor works for you. Now, number two is gonna be the angle of the straight razor. You're gonna have to know the angle of the straight razor, because if you pretty much put this against the skin wrong, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna cut yourself, or you're gonna cut a client if you're a barber. Now, you wanna know the angle. Now, the best angle is going to be a 30-degree angle. You don't wanna hold the straight razor straight against the skin like this, because what it's gonna do is it's gonna go ahead and stutter and it's gonna cut the client. You wanna make sure that you're angling the blade correctly, and that's gonna give you that perfect angle so that the blade can glide and cut the hair. Now, angling the blade is not the only thing you need to worry about. Another thing you're really gonna have to worry about is stretching the skin, or stretching your client's skin. Now, a lot of people, they don't stretch the skin. They're being very, very gentle because they're scared of the blade. They're scared they're gonna cut. Now, that can actually hurt you even more if you don't stretch the skin. Now, pulling that skin is gonna do two things. It's gonna stretch the skin out so that there's just a straight surface for you to cut on. But number two, it's gonna make the hairs stick straight out. When you pull the skin, the hairs stand up. Now, if you apply the stretching of the skin and the hairs are standing up and you're angling your blade correctly, you won't have a problem cutting anybody. Because if the skin is stretched, the blade won't stutter, the blade won't skip, and it won't cut you. What happens when you get cut is because the blade goes on the skin, comes off the skin, goes on the skin, comes off the skin. It cuts you when it comes off the skin, and it goes back on the skin. So now that we know how to hold the blade, we know how to stretch the skin, we know how to make the hair stand up. So the next thing is comfort. You wanna make sure that you prep your face before you even start your shave, before you even apply any product. You wanna go ahead and put a hot towel on the face. Now, what this is gonna do is really soften the skin, soften the beard, and open up the pores. Now, this is really gonna give you that nice soft feeling to your face. Now, you wanna do this before you apply the products. You're gonna have to apply some type of lube. Now, that's gonna be shave soap, shave cream, shave gel, whatever you wanna use, whatever works best for your skin. Now, a lot of people have coarse hair, a lot of people have soft hair, so it's all gonna determine what's gonna work for you. Now, if you're doing something like a beard or a goatee, a shave gel will be great. We sell those on our website. You can check our website out, easybladeshavingproducts.com. We have tons of products for you guys to check out. You can go ahead and apply a shave gel. A shave gel is gonna be good because you can see the line and you can see exactly where you're putting the blade at, because you want that definition. A shave gel would be great if you're doing a goatee. You can do the same thing. You can apply a shave gel, and that's gonna make the line nice and straight for you guys. Now, if you're doing a full-on shave and you really want some comfort and you have a client in a chair, or you're shaving yourself, you wanna go ahead and apply a shave oil or a shave cream. Now, that's really gonna give you that nice shave. Now that you know all the rules of shaving, how to prep the skin, how to hold the blade, and you feel comfortable, I want you guys to go out and buy a balloon. Buy a balloon, because this is gonna allow you to learn how to use a straight razor. If you grab a balloon, if you blow it up, you're able to stretch the balloon out like it's skin. You could put a straight razor inside of the blade. You could start to stroke the balloon with a 30-degree angle, and this is gonna show you how it feels to use a straight razor. Okay, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video a lot. Again, Jay here from easybladeshavingproducts.com. If you guys need any products, you can go to our website, check them out. And if you guys do like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. I will talk to you guys soon.